What is happening, everyone? Mr. Slowtone himself here. Oh, man. Well, we have some stuff going on, and you just have to wait to see.
There's Abby. Oh, yep, Dad's got it back in now. Oh, he's a good daddy. So scared being so close to the road. I'm like easily 10 feet. Scary though. How was it?
It was there. He got scared.
Alright, so you seen, got do a little bit of testing today. We actually threw a surprise birthday party for my dad. Technically his birthday ain't till Monday, but we did it today, Saturday, but he'll be turning 74 on Monday. So big 7-4. But anyways, I went ahead and gave him a birthday ride in the truck. Let him feel what everything was with the new converter and all that, and done some nitrous pulls. The first one, it's still upper 40s here, so it's a little cold. It's chilly, but the road's still cold, and I'm not using no stripper glitter right now and all that. I should have, but I didn't. And I'm still on my drag radials. So, I'm not on, I mean, it is a sticky tire, but it's a sticky street tire. But anyways, slicks ain't on it or nothing, but if we found out today, which the converter, the new converter, the Freak Show Performance converter, it is doing its job. It is 100% tighter. The truck literally, it's been forever since it's actually done that out of the hole, spun like that. But I mean, granted, it's chilly. I'm not using no tire compound, no sticky stuff, and it might be a little bit different. I mean, if I had one of the kids pour some stripper glitter down and do my burnout back me back up in my tracks and all that. But I didn't want to do that. I just quick hit. Yeah, all in all, everything went good. Put truck back up. It's in one piece. Trying to think of anything else. I mean, the private road that I've been testing on, when I mean private, it's private. But we got a few neighbors out there that let's just say I let out at the driveway, so kind of keeps them not getting mad. But this afternoon had to let my test sessions and the ride-alongs, I had to give up on them a little early, if you know what I mean. So but otherwise, all in all, it was good. My dad liked it. He said, well, I'm not going to say his exact words, but the truck, it is ready. I have to technically hook up the other kit of nitrous when I put the tranny back up in it. I noticed that broke a wire, and one wire pulled out, so and my connection. So, but anyway, it's about all I got to do to it. Go back in through it, check my bolts and all that, make sure everything's good. But otherwise, she's ready. The converter's doing its job. Like I said, I haven't felt this truck like this in a long time. So we get it on some sticky surfaces. Even, I mean, some no prep surfaces. I mean, it's still going to be a little bit sticky. So, but yeah, that's about it. So, I really appreciate you guys watching, everything else, subscribing, sharing, liking, all that good stuff. I really do appreciate it. But you guys have a great night, because I'm going to probably be up a few more hours doing some editing. So, you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching.